Hey everybody, welcome to watch this video about aromatherapy. And my name is Amba, as many of you know. And about the aromatherapy, I just love it. And it's a good way to get these aromas into our systems. And they have health benefits. And there's so many different kinds. And I have the old-fashioned one with just the candle and the water in it. And I'm just gonna mix a little bit of this one says mind rest, and it's 100% pure essential oil blend, and it's blend of peppermint, rosemary, lemon, and eucalyptus, and it actually smells great. So I don't even know where to start with this stuff. So let's talk about, because the aromatherapy goes in from our nose and it actually goes directly to our brain. And that's why it affects so fast. Of course, if you make blends like lotions and put aromatherapy, it also goes through your skin to your bloodstream. But the fastest is the one that goes through your nose. And actually nowadays they've been even doing a little bit research that maybe some of the medicines should be given not orally but inhaling. So we have of course the regular ones that we can use ourselves. So for example, here I have peppermint oil, and always read the labels before use. And if you're doing a test, do it just in a small area of your hand, if in case there's some allergic reactions. And here, oh, this one is peppermint, and this one says here that, let's see if it says something about the, and always use the very high-end essential oils, the 100% ones, unless it's a mixed, or of course you can mix it. So this is energizing, refreshing, and stimulating the peppermint. And then we have anise oil here, and I'm not going to read all of these, what they are for. You can find that information. And then this one is a lavender oil. I got it from my friend because she knows that sometimes I don't go to sleep easily. And so these are the oils. And if you are new, I would say, first of all, it's easier to start with single oils. And when you learn more, you can start making a mixes, or then you can buy the ready-made mixes like I'm using here. And as I said, you can do it with infuser or the old-fashioned system with candle. And so this is under the category of holistic healing, natural healing. And I would say that, yeah, pay attention that it's a good quality product, and 100% oil. And then we have also candles that are infused with aroma oils. And but be careful when you buy these, because there's so much stuff for sale that doesn't use the natural oils. And I know the natural oils, somebody might say that they are expensive, but I put here actually for example, if you buy a peppermint oil, there's 1 pound of peppermint material that is needed for 15 ounce, not ounce, 15 milliliter. Uh, I'm looking, this one is 13 milliliters. So you need a pound of material, peppermint material to make it. And then, for example, if you have a small bottle, a small 15 milliliter bottle of lemon oil, it needs 75 lemons to make it. So that gives you a picture why they are sometimes feels that they are expensive. And then I have here also the frankincense, and that is for it's said that it increases spirituality and inner strength, lifts mood, and inspire balanced emotions. And then I'm gonna give you a couple recipes at the end, but let's talk about other types of essential oils. So for example, I have here, this says yoga mist, and it's made with tea tree and lemon, and it's purifying. You can mist it in the air, and or you can put it on your mat. And actually, what does this say about it? Well, it says holistic yoga session, and so tea tree oil is purifying, yeah, and lemon is energizing. And here, these ones are also that you can spray yourself. Better take these off. And then you just inhale. And this name is Vitality, and it's for all natural emotional care. It promotes wellness, wholeness, vibrant health, and it releases grudges, resentment, agitation. And this is by the company called Kalyana. And this one is for joy. They have different things, different for stress release and all kinds of stuff. And actually, I've seen how this product affects to people. I used to work, that's over 10 years, 12 years, something like that. I used to work in a health food store, and we had all kinds of people coming in and telling about their products and the health benefits of them. And I saw how one person was treated with those, and it was amazing, the difference what happened. Then we have the aromatherapy mist body splash, and this is rose water. And you can put this as a body splash or perfume, or you can rinse your hair, or you can put it in your bath water. And what I like to do when I give, oh, I took them. For example, I give a Reiki session. I try to like to put them in my hands, and it's nicer for the client to have this nice. And I do also have the aromatherapy light on. So then these are rolls, and you can roll them. One is for soothe, one is for at ease. And I have different, although I tell you that be careful and buy the real products. I've been given as gifts also a lot of these. So um, and then this is chakra balancing, and for example this one says empowering solar plexus. It's a roll on also, so you're supposed to put it in your solar plexus, and they have different ones also. And I can really smell that now because it's starting to warm up. And you can go and buy these, of course, on internet, but do some research before you do it, so that you know your products, you know that they are quality products. And also, if you go to your local health food store, the people working there can probably guide you and give you helpful hints. And you can see that if in your area there is some kind of event in a, for example, a health food store, and they are giving out information, so go and listen to it. And okay, there's a rule of thumb. When you have the water, like 1 ounce of water, you can put there approximately no more than 20 drops of total. If you make a mix, it's still total 20 drops of that oils. And we talked of already the diffusers. Okay, and then you can put this, for example, if you go to the bath, if you use Epsom salt, you can put this in Epsom salt first, and then put the Epsom salt in your bath water. Or if you take foot baths, same thing with the Epsom salt. And if you use it in your skin, you have to have a carrier oil. It can be coconut oil or jojoba oil or something like that. And this one, for example, you can, this way you can treat your body before bed, so you can get a better sleep. For example, lavender has the calming and relaxing effect. And I've never really done the internally, but there are products also that you can use internally. And one way to do it, as I did with this, rubbing on your hands, and then you can just put them, inhale that whatever oil it is. But make a test first. I told you to make a test. And we were talking about the health effects. It's not just physical, it's also emotional health. So it's for mind, body, and spirit kind of thing. And a little bit about what, like a lavender oil, I mentioned that it's calming, and frankincense is for spirituality and inner strength. It lifts mood, inspires balance and balanced emotions. We talked about how it gets straight to your brain when we inhale it. And always skin test, and I told you, and dilute them. Like when you are inhaling, I had already water in here, and I just added that essential oil there. And there's also recipes for cleaning. And I had one Facebook post about this, how you can clean your yoga mats, or it's for any cleaning, but knowing me, it was my yoga mat. So you can put 1 part of witch hazel or white vinegar, it works also. Then put 3 parts of water and few drops of any of these: eucalyptus, peppermint, lavender, tea tree oil, because tea tree oil is cleaning and uplifting. Eucalyptus, for example, is for better immune system and respiratory. Peppermint is, I can't even read what I wrote here. It's revitalizing. And lavender oil is good with anything. You can mix it with different oils. It goes together well. Other recipe I wanted to give you is for bug spray. And it actually says that 5 drops of each of these. So 5 drops of cedar wood, 5 drops of eucalyptus, 5 drops of citronella, 5 drops of lavender. So cedar wood, eucalyptus, citronella, and lavender. And that's the 20 drops. And if you go to health food stores, you probably can find some kind, like I have these brochures. This is common uses of herbal extracts. So and I'm sure you can find this also, all this kind of information in internet. That's for all today. Thank you for watching, and tell me in comments, have you been doing any of these recipes and how did they work? Have a great day. See you soon. Bye bye. Namaste.